How to pitch angel investors successfully. Chapter 7, Part E, your dream of raising money from an angel investor is gradually coming true. You have contacted the angel, and you have both agreed on the date and venue of the first meeting. This first meeting may either double as the last or be the first of several meetings between you two. It all depends on how well you present your business concept. Now, how do you ensure that your pitch would be a turn-on, so that you will close the deal right away and leave the meeting with a check in hand? Many factors will guarantee your success. Example of such factors are your level of preparation, confidence, accuracy, knowledge of your concept, conduct, and so on. First, you should have carefully rehearsed brilliant answers to all the questions you may be asked during the meeting. And you must be armed with your business plan, which clearly defines your marketing strategy, financial analysis, and other core areas angels are particularly interested in. Another thing you should have taken your time to prepare ahead of the meeting is your pitch. This can be in PowerPoint, electronic format, or in print. Even if the investor doesn't arrange a projector, try to take one along to the venue of the meeting if you think a projected presentation is the best way to sell your idea. And whenever you will be presenting your pitch using a projector, have a backup plan by printing out copies of your slide in case something fails. What does a typical investor pitch look like? Whether it's in electronic or a short book form, your pitch must be short. It should be no more than slides, pages long. Having additional slides doesn't enhance your investor pitch, neither does it boost your chances. Here's what the outline of a typical pitch should look like. How to pitch angel investors, sample business plan, a presentation format, slide: introduction. Describe yourself and your proposed business in as few words as possible. Be clear in your communication. No matter how complicated a business is, there will always be a way to describe it in simple, non-professional terms by answering 3 basic questions. Who is the business serving? Will the business offer a product or a service? Will the business save your customers time, money, headaches, or a combination of the 3? Slide: the problem. What problems are your potential customers facing? Though your business idea may be aimed at solving a larger societal problem, you must bear in mind that the society will not pay to solve its problems, each individual will. So, focus on the pain points of the individual paying customer. Slide: the market or opportunity. How big is the problem? What is the size of your target market? Explain any trends that are driving or will drive the growth of your market. Slide: the solution. How will your business solve the problem? How do you plan to make money by solving the problem? Note, this is one of the most important slides to the investor, so make it brief, but impactful. If your business model is somewhat complicated, you can break this into 2 slides. The solution. The business model. Slide: the competition and competitive advantage. Who is already solving the problem? In what areas are they doing very well? In what areas are they performing badly? Is the competition direct or indirect? Why is your product or service better than the competition? Communicate this in a way that clearly explains why your product or service is better suited to solve the problems of your customers. If necessary, render this explanation on competitive advantage on a separate slide. Slide: sustainable competitive advantage. Do you have any unique and defendable intellectual property? What patents have been filed? Why are there entry barriers to your business? Slide: marketing strategy. Are you selling directly to consumers or to other businesses? Do you have any sales or marketing partners? Will your company manufacture, distribute the product, or will you work with partners? Slide: traction. Is your product complete? Do you have any contracts or proofs of interest from potential customers? Slide: the team. Give a brief bio of each member of your team and, for each, explain their current role, why they are qualified to handle the role, and their experience. Are there any missing members that will need to come in later? Do you have an advisory board? If yes, who is on it? Slide: financial projections. Add a basic chart showing your year projections for revenue, gross margin, headcount, and unit sales. Slide: funding and offering. How much money has been raised or invested to date? How much money are you, the founder, investing? How much capital do you need to raise in total? Have you determined your company's valuation? Briefly explain the terms of this investment deal. Exit strategy. How do you plan to deliver a ROI? What are some potential exit scenarios? Do you plan to sell the company, or your license or technology? What types of companies are likely to purchase your business or license? Are there any similar acquisitions in your industry in the past years? What was the sale price for each of those acquisitions? Conclusion. Briefly recap why your business opportunity is a promising one. Include your contact information. If you are presenting your business idea in the form of a printed proposal rather than orally, then the outline given above still holds, but instead of slides, you have pages. Winning the heart of an investor with your business idea requires more than a brilliant pitch and adequate preparations. Here are other things you must do before your meeting with an angel investor. 9 helpful tips for pitching angel investors successfully. Dress appropriately and professionally. It's always better to be overdressed than underdressed. Business casual is the standard. Remember that most angel investors are from a generation that frowns at wearing fading jeans and t-shirts to business settings. Speak for yourself. Since you are the owner of your business idea and head of your team, you should be the one to do all the presentation. You're the one the investors want to see and hear. It's your attitude, character, passion, confidence, and expertise that they want to judge, not those of someone else. So, a team presentation shouldn't be your plan, let it be a one